हाय दिस इज हर्ष लिसनिंग मी ऑन हर्ष म्यूजिक फैक्ट्री और आज हम न्यू रूट्स पे जो नासिक का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट ट्रीटमेंट सेंटर है। सो आने वाले मोमेंट्स में आपको बहुत सारी चीजें रिवील होगी। सो लेट्स गो विद द ड्रीम।
Hello and welcome to New Roots. Today we are at Mr. Harshal's vlog and we are here to tell you how simple transplant is. He has undergone his procedure. There are many patients who undergo their procedure almost every day and we are doing this since almost 2012. It's a very basic procedure. Harshal has come here to just make you understand that just don't fear about it. Now you can see the patient. The first step of the transplant is already over, that is extraction, and now we are doing slitting. Slitting means making small openings to the scalp, and these openings here we are doing it with our USP, which is called as sapphire blades. These sapphire blades are very compact and very thin needle, which gives you more higher density, and even the muscle damage is not at all there. We are just working on the second layer of the skin, which is absolutely safe. Wherein the previous procedure where people used to do FUE, over there it used to be done with the help of a needle, which was very deep, and there was little risk also. Obviously with undue risk it was done, but we have come with a very new procedure, absolutely safe with a higher density. This is how the slitting process occurs. So with compact density, once the slit is made, after that we do implanting. And how implanting is done? Implanting means the graft which is extracted from the safe zone. Safe zone means above the ears and just forefinger below your nape of neck, above your nape of neck. So this is the safe zone from where every male can never get bald. So those areas are taken as safe zone. From there, first we do the extraction, then we do the slitting, and then we will look for implanting. That means first the graft is extracted, then we make holes, and then we do the implanting. That means we put the graft into the empty holes. So let's see how slits, after slits, how implanting is undergone. Let's check it out. Yeah. Coming to the second USP of New Roots, now why we are having 100 graft removal gives you 100% result. Many times you see patients सांगतात की 100 ग्राफ्ट निघाले पण 90च झाले. Now why this 10 grafts का 10% loss का होतो? Why this 10% loss is there? Let's have a look. Every graft which is extracted has to undergo this process which is called graft harvesting. Now graft harvesting means each and every graft is cleansed. If the graft is having muscle or tissue into it, that is excavated, that means that is taken out. If you see, he's taking out the muscle or he's taking out the graft over there, and whatever is not needed is being replaced from the another side. If the graft is having muscle, it will not give blood circulation over there. So the graft, suppose if this is a graft which is giving me 3 hair, in layman term, normal लोकांच्या भाषेत हा मूळ आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये 3 केस आहे. If a tissue or a clot is stuck up over here, there won't be any blood circulation. So this graft will only give me either 2 hair, or the graft will not at all get blood circulation and it will not give any hair. So harvesting is very important. That is the reason graft cleans, put into the scalp, and it will give you complete growth. Coming to the last process of the transplant, which is called implanting, another USP that we follow is called a double forceps technique. That means, just see properly, we are excavating from the left hand, we are excavating the slit. That means we are opening the slit, and in second hand we are putting it inside. So the graft is not damaged. A graft is a bunch of hair, it can be have 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, or 4 hair. But if I'm directly touching the graft with my forceps, I might damage the graft. So again, if I'm damaging the graft, the graft which is giving me 4 hair might again give me 3 hair, 2 hair, 1 hair, or no hair, because while putting the graft inside, it might get damaged. People who are doing single forceps technique, they force the graft to go inside the empty slit. While forcing the graft to go inside, it might get damaged. That is again one of the issue. So you have to take care that double forceps technique gives a proper depth, a proper direction, and properly the graft will go inside, and there won't be any sharp damage to the graft also, because we are just opening the tail and we are forcing it inside. So we have seen how we open the slits, we have seen how we do the implanting, we have seen how we doing the graft harvesting, and when we compile all this together, then we are able to give you a fantastic results. And that's how New Roots speaks about it. So you have any doubts or any queries regarding your hair problem, your scalp problem, your skin problem, you can always get back to us. We are at Canada Corner, Kuruvilla House, Sharanpur Road, New Roots, signing off for now. Thank you.
So I hope this was really helpful for you and more informative. Share this with your friends whom you love. And what more to say? Satna, Shiv, Let's go.